here we are again. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that I found at 7-Eleven. This is the 7 Select Cheese and Herbs Pasta Cup. Weird, huh? Oh, I guess there's the fill line. So that's kind of... Is it the same as... It's funny when they do this. Sometimes they put it on the inside. They usually put it on the inside. So do we have conflicting fill lines here? We do. I think. No, it's about the same. Oh, I see. I think. So, see, it's got this long black strip on the inside, and the cup is just slightly transparent enough just so you can, like, see that through it. But on the instructions, it says filled just below the line. I don't know. So, just below the line on the cup itself, physically, it seems to be right about there. So I'm gonna, whoa, jeepers. Fill it right to there. And then it says stir it a little bit. That's probably to let its creative juices get a-flowing. Or to incite thickening. Get off the fork, come on. No, we don't want that on the fork. Get off, no, now there's more of them on it. Get off of there, come on guys. And that'll go for 3 minutes. Hey. Did I throw away my... I did. Wasteful Ramen Raider. Alright. Let me get those. See, we have a battle. I mean, we have no problem going to Costco and getting paper towels, right? But the problem is, it's like, who wants to use paper towels all the time? And paper products aren't cheap. So it's like, we have these nice towels that we hang on the front of the stove, but guess what happens? They just fall off. So it's kind of irritating. I don't know what to do. There's gotta be something to do. What do I do? Well, we'll figure it out. One of these days. But yeah, I know there's going to be people that are going, that's not ramen noodles. It's not my panda signature. Which I don't really see all that much at Walmart anymore. That was a big deal. People flipped out about that stuff, which I think is too bad because that stuff was fascinating. I gotta say. I kind of want to go to the... North of here in Marysville, there's a super Walmart. And although it's like absolutely insane, the people in there are freaking nuts a lot of the time, as are in all Walmarts, but except for the ones in Canada, mostly. At least the one in Richmond, BC. But they get a lot of stuff like... There was this oatmeal I really liked, and they only used Walmart as a test market. Pumpkin spice cup noodles, that was a test market too. So, I mean, they do a lot of exclusive stuff when it comes to convenience food products. And so it's kind of interesting what you find over there. Definitely keeps me coming back for more. Oh my God. Wasn't there a movie called, like, what was it, Crazy Rich Asians? And... that's basically, I haven't seen it, but if it's about rich Asian people, you got to go to the Walmart in Richmond, BC. It's big, they've got lots of stuff, and the parking lot has, like, I'd say the predominant vehicle in the parking lot at the Walmart in Richmond, BC, which is an outskirt of Vancouver, are Teslas, lots of Beamers, lots of Porsches. We've seen a Bugatti there. We've seen a Ferrari there. We've seen a Lamborghini there. Lambo style at the Walmart. But it's just, it's true, man. That one, they go there. They love it. I don't know why, but I know why I liked to go to Walmart in Canada a lot because they had like if you want to get peanut butter, man, go to Canada. Their peanut butter's better. Ooh, this it's had its 3 minutes, but I'm not getting the feel that I was hoping for. It's very thick. It's almost a gel I'm getting out of this, which surprised me because the last one, which was, I think it was tomato basil, that one was really pretty decent. It had a kind of a funky aftertaste, I think. I can't remember, but we'll give this a good college try. I can't remember how much these cost. I know they weren't expensive. But this is actually a product of Italy. Do we just stir it and let it sit again, or where's the there it is. Pull lid halfway back, add boiling water just below the mark, stir, cover for 3 minutes, stir and enjoy. So I've stirred, now I suppose it's time for me to enjoy. But these don't, the feedback I'm getting from my forks say that they're not completely done, but maybe they're just a little al dente. Cheers. Unsatisfactory. That was the most boiling water, and those noodles are not done. That's very disappointing. I'll give it a couple more stirs, but a little taken aback by that. What's funny too is it's a 7-Eleven product, so it seems like it would have microwave instructions, but this is definitely not a microwave friendly cup because of its plastic content. I would melt this sucker down. As you can see, the noodle is kind of like almost like penne. What are they calling this one? I think on the other one it called it real underlined Italian macaroni pasta with cheese and herbs sauce. Well, the flavor's not bad. I think I might even like the flavor of this one better than the tomato basil, but the noodle just seems a little too, what's the word, staunch? I don't know. I keep trying to like up my game in like terms to use to describe textures and stuff, but generally they're just words that leap out at me and seem like the right thing to say. Here we go. Ugh. Good enough. Good enough? What do you mean good enough? There's that, and it needs, I think this is definitely the right thing to do in this situation, is just slap an enormous slice of chashu right on the top in the middle. Considering this is a product of Italy and a large global Japanese company. So let's lean on back a little bit. Don't want to make things angry. For the power of Grayskull. Where's it by the power of Grayskull? Okay. Okay. Woo! 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 Spring onion. And finally, where'd I put that? Where'd I put it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where's the, what the, there you are. Wow, I need to get more of this. I've been like going through crushed red pepper, as my mom would say, like it's going out of style. I think that works. I'll try it again after I've taken the beauty shots and see if it's any better insofar as the time on it, but I got to give it its score based on the 3-minute instructions, because that's the only fair thing to do for all the noodles of the world. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow's show, you'll get to see something from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. And this is a Pyong, kind of like a retro throwback classic ramen. It's not yakisoba, which is kind of interesting. So let you check that out tomorrow. And this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.